So, in this group, melting point and boiling point. Melting point value, phosphine or synstibine, then increases to ammonia. Ammonia is more melting point because it has intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Boiling point value. Boiling point value, phosphine to arsine increases, but it is different in ammonia and stibine. So its order is, boiling point order is phosphine to stibine is changing like this. So these are very important commutative bits in hydrides topic. In hydrides, what are the very important? In hydrides, ionic nature, from ammonia to bismuthine, ionic nature value increases. All are gases, these ammonia to bismuthine, all are gases. These all are colorless gases. These all are colorless gases. Except ammonia, remain all are poisonous gases. Except ammonia, remain all are poisonous gases. Some more properties about hydrides. Ionic nature, from ammonia to bismuthine increases. From ammonia to bismuthine, all are gases. These all are colorless gases. Next one, except ammonia, remain all are poisonous gases. Except ammonia, remain all are poisonous gases. That is about hydrides in this topic. Next, chemical properties in this 5A group elements is oxides. Oxides of the 5A group elements. Oxides. Oxides of 5A group elements. 5A group elements, mainly three type of oxides possible. They are M2O3, M2O4, M2O5. 5A group elements are mainly three types of oxides possible: M2O3, M2O4, M2O5. M means 5A group elements. They are example M2O3, M2O3, M2O4, M2O5. That is nitrogen compound N2O3, N2O4, N2O5. Phosphorus P2O3, P2O4, P2O5. Next, arsenic AS2O3, AS2O4, AS2O5. Next, antimony Sb2O3, Sb2O4, Sb2O5. Next one is bismuth Bi2O3, Bi2O4, Bi2O5. So remember, this nitrogen family elements has mainly three types of oxides. One is M2O3 oxide, another one is M2O4 oxide, third one is M2O5 oxide. So nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth all contain M2O3 oxide. M2O4 also, all element nitrogen to bismuth, all compound exist as a M2O4 oxide. M2O5 nitrogen to bismuth, all compound exist as a N2O5 oxides. In these oxides, so there are three oxides possible in this group. All elements can form these three oxides. In these oxides, from top to bottom means Bi2, O3, Bi2O4, Bi2O5. Its acidic nature value is increases. From top to bottom, its acidic nature value increases. From left to right, left to right in this group, its acidic nature value is decreases. In oxide, by this table, from top to bottom, in these three, which is more acidic nature? N2O5. In these, which is more acidic nature? N2O5. Means top to bottom acidic nature increases, but left to right acidic nature value decreases. N2O3, N2O4, N2O5. Acidic nature is more for N2O5. N2O5 to Bi2O5. This is more acidic nature. This is a less acidic nature. So like that it is possible. And also they said simply, pentoxides are more acidic nature than trioxide. Pentoxides are very important competitive bit. Pentoxides are more acidic nature than trioxide. And why it is more acidic nature? Means it has a more oxidation number. We know that one element oxidation number increases, its acidic nature value is increases. Here in this nitrogen oxidation number is +3. Here nitrogen oxidation number is +5. +3 and +5, its oxidation number increases. So acidic nature increases. You know, here nitrogen +3, here nitrogen +4, here nitrogen +5. So compared to N2O3, N2O4 is more acidic nature. Compared to N2O4, N2O5 is more acidic nature. So what we call top to bottom acidic nature increases, from left to right acidic nature decreases. Why acidic nature decreases? In this, metallic character increases. We know that metal oxides are basic properties, non-metal oxides are acidic property. So N2O5 and Bi2O5, N2O5 is more acidic nature, Bi2O5 is less acidic nature, because it is bismuth is metallic character, nitrogen is non-metallic character. By our periodic classification rule, non-metal oxides are acidic nature, metal oxides are just some basic nature. So this is acidic, this is acidic, this is weak acidic, means some basic property possible. That they are the oxides of these group elements. But in this group, nitrogen has many oxides. These are the common oxides of 5A group element. But in this group, nitrogen has many oxides. What are the nitrogen oxides? Nitrogen oxides are mainly 5 oxides. They are nitrous oxide, nitric oxide, dinitrogen trioxide, nitrogen dioxide, dinitrogen pentoxide. Nitrous oxide, nitric oxide, dinitrogen trioxide, nitrogen dioxide, dinitrogen pentoxide. In this group, nitrogen has many oxides. In this group, nitrogen has many oxides. What are they? Nitrous oxide, nitric oxide, dinitrogen trioxide, nitrogen dioxide, dinitrogen pentoxide. In these 5 groups, nitrous oxide, nitric oxides are neutral oxides. Nitrous oxide and nitric oxide are neutral oxide. Remaining 3 are acidic oxides. Very nitrous oxide. Nitrous oxide is called laughing gas. It is prepared from ammonium nitrate. When heated it can form nitrous oxide and water. This is a colorless gas. It has a diamagnetic property. This nitrous oxide has a resonance structures. It has N, double bond N, double bond O. It has a resonance structure N, double bond N, double bond O. In this, here nitrogen plus minus possible. You know that nitrogen oxidation, nitrogen valence electrons are 5. In that 5, 2 are participating in this, remain 2 are here 4, 1 electron is gained, so it is the 5. In this nitrogen also 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 are participating, no lone electron. In this oxygen 6 valency, 2 are participating in bonding, remain 2 electrons like this. So nitrogen has a resonance structure, N2O has a resonance structures. Its resonance structure, one of the structure is N double bond O. In this nitrogen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 electrons. In this gain of electron, 6 electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 electron. Its resonance structure, another one is resonance structures, another one N, triple bond N, triple bond N, single bond O, single bond O, N plus O minus. Here nitrogen 1, 2, 3 is there. Here nitrogen 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 loss. Oxygen is gained by 1 electron. So it has 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is another one 7. So they have a resonance structures. Nitrous oxide has a resonance structure. One, I repeated it. So nitrogen valency 5 electron. 5 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 gain 6 electron. Nitrogen 4 because one lost. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oxygen 6 electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Its another resonance structure is this one. Nitrogen has 5 electrons. In that 5, 3 are participating in bonding. Remain 1 is lone pair. Here nitrogen 5 1 loss of 4 electron. 3 are participating in this bonding. 1 is participating in this bonding. So stable. Oxygen gain 1 electron means oxygen 6 gain 1 means 7 electron. 1 is participating in bonding. Remaining 6 electrons are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is also denoted by like this cross. So that they are the structures of nitrous oxide. Laughing gas, it is prepared from ammonium nitrate. It is a colorless gas. It has a diamagnetic property. It has a resonance structure. That is about nitrous oxide. Another one property is nitric oxide. Nitrogen, another oxide property is nitric oxide. It is NO. Nitric oxide, it is called NO. Nitric oxide. This nitric oxide is prepared from ammonia with oxygen gas. When you take ammonia NH3 reaction with oxygen gas, it can form nitric oxide 4NO and also possible water possible. And also water possible. Check it. Ammonia 4NH3 reaction with oxygen, it can form 4NO nitric oxide and water. 4 nitrogen, 12 hydrogen, 12 hydrogen, 4 plus 6, 10 oxygen, 5 plus 10 oxygen. It is possible in presence of platinum catalyst. It is possible in presence of platinum catalyst. Ammonia reaction with oxygen in presence of platinum catalyst and some heat. It can form nitric oxide and water. This is ammonia, nitric oxide. This is also colorless gas. This one has a paramagnetic nature. It has a nitrous oxide is a colorless gas. Nitric oxide also colorless gas. Nitrous oxide is paramagnetic, diamagnetic nature. Nitric oxide is paramagnetic nature. And also this nitric oxide has a resonance structure. It is also a resonance structure. Its resonance structure is N double bond O. Nitric N double bond O. In this one is plus, another one is minus. Nitrogen has a positive, oxygen has a negative charge. Because oxygen is highest electronate. It one lost the electron means nitrogen 5 1 loss means remain 1 2 electron. Oxygen 6 1 gain means 7 electron. 1 2 3 4 5 6 2 are participating, 7 electrons possible in this. Its resonance structure is N double bond O same without charges means 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6. So remember that nitrogen NO with charges N plus O minus. Nitrogen 5 in that plus means last 1 4 only. 2 are participating in bonding, remain 2 are this. Oxygen is 6, 1 gain means 7 electron. 2 are participating in bonding, remain are 5. 1 2 3 4 5. In this, its resonance structure is this one, N double bond O. Here no charges. So nitrogen 5, in that 5 2 are participating in bonding, remain 3 are pair and lone. Next oxygen 6 electron, 2 are participating in bonding, remain 4 are lone pairs. That is about nitric oxide. It is prepared from ammonia. It is a colorless gas. It is a paramagnetic nature. It has a resonance structure structures, its resonance structures possible like this. This is about nitrous oxide and nitric oxide. We know that very important commutative bit note, very important commutative bit, nitrous oxide and nitric oxides are neutral oxides. Nitrous oxide and nitric oxide, N2O and NO are neutral oxides. Very important bit. In this nitrous oxide, you know nitrogen oxidation number is +1. In nitric oxide, nitrogen oxidation number is +2. So they have a lower oxidation number, so they are the neutral oxides. That is about nitrous and nitric oxide. Another one is nitrogen oxides, dinitrogen trioxide. Dinitrogen trioxide. It is denoted by N2O3 dinitrogen trioxide. This dinitrogen trioxide is prepared by nitric oxide and nitrogen dioxide. Nitric oxide and nitrogen dioxide at low temperature, -20 centigrade temperature, it can form dinitrogen trioxide. Nitric oxide gas, nitrogen dioxide gas at low temperature cooling, that is -20 centigrade, it can form nitric oxide and nitrogen dioxide can form N2O3, 2 nitrogens and 3 oxygen, N2O3, nitric oxide, nitrogen dioxide. And also it is prepared by the anhydrides of nitrous acid. Nitrous acid formula HNO3. This is also prepared by the anhydrous of nitrous acid, means remove of the water from nitrous acid. Nitrous acid formula HNO2. In this we remove the water. Remove the water, it can form N2O3 and also possibly as a H2O. Balance the equation like this. Nitrous oxide, nitrous acid. So here dinitrogen trioxide, it is prepared by nitric oxide and nitrogen dioxide at low temperature means -20 centigrade cooling places, it can form dinitrogen trioxide. It is also prepared by the anhydride of the nitrous acid. It is also prepared by the anhydride of nitrous acid. So we know that nitrous acid formula HNO2, when we heated it, it can form N2O3 and water. It can form N2O3 and water. Next one, this dinitrogen trioxide is possibly as a reddish brown color when it is in liquid state. It has a color when it is in liquid state, reddish brown color in liquid state. This is also diamagnetic property. N2O3 also possibly as a diamagnetic property. So anhydrous of nitrous acid, dinitrogen trioxide possible. It has a reddish brown color. It has a diamagnetic property. It is also resonance structures. It is also resonance structure. Its resonance structures are N double bond O, single bond N double bond O. Its resonance structure possible like this. Nitrogen double bond O, nitrogen double bond O. This is a plus minus. So N N2O3, N single bond N double bond O, single bond O with minus, nitrogen with plus, and double bond O. and double bond O. This one, check it. Nitrogen has a 4 electron because one loss, plus means loss of it. Nitrogen 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 4 are participating in bonding. Oxygen has 6 electron, 2 are here, remain 2 are these lone pairs. In this oxygen has 7 because oxygen 6 electron, negative means gain 1 electron, 7. 1 are participating in bonding, remain 6 are like these lone pairs. So next here nitrogen. In this nitrogen 5 valence electron, 3 are participating in bonding, 1 lone pair possible. In these 6 electrons, in these 2 are participating in bonding, remain 2 lone pairs are like this. That is the dinitrogen trioxide structure. It is also has a resonance structure. Resonance structure is denoted by double arrow mark. You know that. It is also written as N single bond, N double bond O, and double bond O with 2 lone pairs. Here lone pair is common. In this reverse of these 2 possible, means above is O minus possible with 1 2 3 4 5 6 electron, below is double bond O possible with 2 lone pairs like this, it has plus. So same, both are same, but a small change, these 2 are reverse possible, remain structure is same. That is the dinitrogen trioxide structure. So this one, dinitrogen trioxide, repeat once again. NO plus NO2 combined to form N2O3 at minus 20 centigrade. It is also prepared by the anhydrous of nitrous acid. This one, it is a reddish brown color. It has a diamagnetic property. Its structure is possible like this. That is about N2O3. Next, fourth one is nitrogen dioxide. Fourth one is nitrogen dioxide, NO2. NO2 is nitrogen dioxide. In nitrogen dioxide means NO2. It is a general property is prepared from previous one compounds, that is nitrous oxides. It is prepared by the nitrous oxides, means NO with O2 it can form 2NO2. NO plus O2 it can form 2NO2. So nitrogen dioxide 2NO2 it is possible as. Its structure is N. It has a another one, it is also magnetic property. Its magnetic property is possible as paramagnetic property. It has a paramagnetic property, and also when we observe this nitrogen dioxide, it is also color. Its color is possible as brown color. Its color is possible as a brown color, and also when we observe this nitrogen dioxide, it has a resonance structure. It is N and double bond O, single bond O. Its resonance structure is possible N double bond O, single bond O, or N single bond O, double bond O. Possible resonance structure N. So nitrogen valence, how many electrons? 5 electron, 1 2 3 4 5 electron, 1 2 3. Here 1 electron, single electron. This one is a dative bond. This one is a dative bond. Same here, 2 are participating in bonding, remain 2 are like this, 4. Same here also same, but reverse possible. Here dative bond in right side, here dative bond in left side. Here electrons are 4, 1 lone pair donated. Here also 4, 1 lone pair donated. Nitrogen single electron, this one also same 6 electrons. So this is the nitrogen dioxide. Generally it is simply written as NOO. Its bond angle is nearly 134 degrees V shape. Bond angle is 134 degrees. It has a V shape. Nitric oxide, oxygen, nitrogen dioxide, paramagnetic nature. Its color is brown color possible. Its structure is possible like this. In this last topic is dinitrogen pentoxide. In this nitrogen oxide, last one is dinitrogen pentoxide. It is prepared from the dinitrogen pentoxide is prepared from the nitric acid, anhydride of nitric acid. Anhydride of nitric acid. Nitric acid formula we know that HNO3. It is converted as N2O5 plus H2O. N2O5 plus H2O. Nitric acid gives dinitrogen pentoxide and water. That is the property. In this is the diamagnetic nature. It is generally colorless possible. It is a colorless compound. This one has also resonance structure. It is also resonance structure. Nitrogen resonance structure NON. This one double bond O. One is day2 bond, double bond O. Another one is day2 bond. Same only another diagram also. One is reverse possible. Its resonance structure is N single bond O N and here day2 bond is possible in above. Here double bond above, single bond below means day2 bond. Here reverse possible. O double bond O, same double bond O and day2 bond. Check it. This one only I reverse it. Remain one is same. So it has a resonance structures like this. This is a day2 bond, double bond, NON, double bond and day2 bond same. This one reverse. Another resonance structure possible. That is about N2O5. In this N2O5, its simple structure is written as NON, O and O. Simple structure. Generally this one bond angle is 134 degrees. This one bond angle is 112 degrees. Possible bond angle 134. ONO. It is near like this. ONO. Resonance structure, its resonance structures are like this. So once I repeated main important points of these nitrogen oxides, main important properties of nitrogen oxide: nitrous oxide, nitric oxide, dinitrogen trioxide, nitrogen dioxide, commutative bits. Important commutative bits. This is also neutral oxide. These all are acidic oxide. Acidic oxide. Acidic oxide. +4 plus. Magnetic property is diamagnetic, paramagnetic, paramagnetic and also diamagnetic. Magnetic, very important bits: diamagnetic, paramagnetic, paramagnetic, diamagnetic. And color of the compound. This is colorless, this is colorless. Previous I called it is a brown, but it is original colors are given as in liquid state. It is given as a blue color in liquid state. Blue color in liquid state, it has a blue color. Nitrogen dioxide is brown color. This is also colorless. These are very important commutative bits in nitrogen oxide. nitrous oxide, nitric oxide, dinitrogen trioxide, nitrogen dioxide, dinitrogen pentoxide. These two are neutral oxide, these three are acidic oxide. Its possible oxidation number +1 to +5. Magnetic property very important. Diamagnetic, paramagnetic, diamagnetic, paramagnetic, diamagnetic. Remember here very important counting bit also. NO2 is paramagnetic. Its dimer means N2O4 is a diamagnetic. Very important commutative bit. NO2 is a paramagnetic. Its dimer N2O4 is a diamagnetic. Repeat once again. NO2 is paramagnetic. Its dimer N2O4 is a diamagnetic. NO2 para, N2O4 dia. Paramagnetic, diamagnetic. So color blue and brown. These two and last one has a colorless compound. That is about oxides of this group elements. Next class we will discuss objective bits in this lesson. That is from general properties to oxides.